probably heard people say, control your lust, ignore the urge, or stay busy. But this video isn't about controlling your urges. Today, we're talking about something most people never learn: how to turn that same energy into self-discipline. And make sure you don't skip the fifth part, because that's where everything starts to make sense. Let's begin. First, don't rush to escape it. The moment an urge appears, most people panic. They try to make it disappear. But that's the mistake. The urge isn't your enemy, it's just energy. The real question is, where will that energy go? Into a few minutes of pleasure or into the life you're trying to build? Second, stop lying to yourself. You can fool other people, you can make excuses, pretend you're improving, but deep down, you always know the truth. And every broken promise makes that voice a little quieter. Every kept promise makes it stronger. The day you stop lying to yourself, real discipline begins. Third, build before you reward yourself. Here's something most people never try. The next time an urge appears, make a deal with yourself. Finish one difficult task first. Study, work out, clean your room. After that, if you still want it, that's your choice. You'll be surprised how often the urge disappears on its own, because action changes your state of mind. Fourth, give it a better direction. The strange thing is, most of the time, you don't actually want pleasure, you want relief from stress, from boredom, or from loneliness. The urge is often just your mind looking for an escape. Instead of escaping, give that energy a better direction. Build something with it, and you'll slowly build yourself too. Fifth, don't waste the fire. Most people feel the fire and put it out immediately. The strongest people use it instead. They take that same energy and pour it into their goals, their body, their future. Because fire can do two things. It can burn you, or it can build something powerful. The choice is always yours. The truth is, lust isn't trying to destroy you. But if you let it control your choices, it can slowly pull you away. Every urge gives you a decision: feed the habit or feed your future. And those small decisions become your identity. Because discipline is built when every time you choose your future over a few minutes of pleasure. Which point made you think differently? Let me know in the comments.